Welcome back to Golf Center. We're very pleased in this segment to be joined by John Farrell, the Director of Golf at Harbour Town. John, thanks so much for being with us.
Well, thank you. Thanks for having me.
We had a very, very interesting week last week. Let's get your perspective on things and how they went from your end.
Well, you know, there's a lot of volatility, I guess is the best way to put it. When you have a 100-year storm, that presents a lot of challenges and opportunities to do a lot of things differently. You know, the inside the ropes was pretty easy to control, the golf course itself, but outside the ropes, that's where our greatest challenge came with accommodating the many spectators and sponsors and things of that nature. So, you know, Steve's crew in the town and Toby McSwain, and they did an unbelievable job with those circumstances. So it ended up being with a great week. We got a test of our fortitude, and everybody posted up, and we had a great week.
Golf course came through it very well.
Yeah, you know, that's the real bright spot. The players, you know, you talk to them in the locker room, and even the unsolicited comments that you get from players who you got to get to know through the years, they couldn't have said enough nice things about the golf course. They have a love affair with the golf course. Jonathan Wright, our superintendent, did an unbelievable job preparing the playing surface, and you know, even after that amount of rain, you know, cumulatively through the week, almost 4 inches of rain, it was a great playing. The conditions were fantastic. Green speeds were great. The bunkers consistency was fantastic. So the players were very complimentary, and I think it showed very well on international TV.
Yeah. So speaking of locker room, the brand new locker room is going to be in the process of being put together over the next months.
Yeah.
You guys it's a construction zone now at Harbour Town, but the golf course is still in play.
Yeah, we're open. We're not closing the golf course. We're not closing the driving range. We're going to stay open through this process. This time next year, we'll be in a brand new golf club and clubhouse. The locker room, it's pretty well documented, has been, you know, inferior, I guess is the best way to put it. It's pretty small by tour standards, and next year is just going to be, you know, close to 4,000 square feet of locker room space. So we got a lot to look forward to. And golf shop stays open. We have a temporary shop. They call it modular now instead of trailers, but call it what you will. It's a very well done accommodation for us for the next 48 weeks.
John, just so everybody's very comfortable with knowing what's going on, you guys really aren't going to skip a beat now. The only thing that's happening is the clubhouse is coming down and they're putting up a new one, but everything else at Harbour Town is still the same.
We're open for business. Golf course, all 18 holes, 1 through 18, driving range, everything's open. Now you'll have to, you know, with parking, you'll see that there's a lot of construction there, but you know, we think it's a small price to pay, and our guests and members will see that, much like we did at Ocean Heron Point when we opened the new Plantation Golf Club. These are exciting times. These are high-class problems. So we're going to have a really cool, really neat, comprehensive clubhouse that can accommodate our guests and members on a year-round basis.
John, thanks so much for joining us. We appreciate the time that you've given us all through the tournament, certainly, yes, and this week as well. Good luck with the renovation. Your hard hat looks awfully good on you when you're down there.
Thank you. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you all out there.